This video will demonstrate how to review the spatial data and comments that were collected during your breakout group in the South Atlantic Blueprint Workshop. You received an email with a link to the draft blueprint information collected during your breakout group. Click on that link to open the draft blueprint information in the Conservation Planning Atlas. The link will take you to a page that looks similar to what you see on your screen here. Here we're looking at the data layer created during the North Piedmont breakout group from the Raleigh workshop. We've combined the information gathered from both days to make it easier to review. On this page, you can read a description about this draft data layer, then click on the data preview to open the data layer in the map in the Conservation Planning Atlas. When the map opens, you'll probably see two additional windows pop up. The first is the dataset window that shows you just have one data layer open in your map right now, and that's fine, so we're going to go ahead and close that. The other window is the legend. At this time, the legend is displaying the areas that were identified as blueprint priorities during your breakout group. Here you can see that we've numbered and named these areas to make it easier for us to reference them. To review this information, you can click on the Zoom tool and zoom in closer to a particular area that you're interested in. You can then click on the Identify tool and click on an area to see the information that was captured during your breakout group. Here I've clicked on one record, so if I click on this one record link, it will show me some of the information that was collected. I see that this was identified as a Tier 1 blueprint priority. I can also see the comment number and comment area that I clicked on. I can review the types of conservation actions that were identified for this area. For this example, land and water protection were identified as the necessary conservation actions. I can also see the workshop participant or a workshop participant who identified this area. So here we can see Scott Anderson identified this area. To review these specific comments, I click on the comment link. I click on this area that says click here, external link. That will take me to a Google document where I can review the more detailed information. So if I scroll down, I believe we were looking at comment number 25, Howell Woods area. I can review the information that was captured during your breakout group. If you have additional information that you would like to add to this, you can go ahead and edit this document with your additional information. If you don't have additional information to add, if the comment was captured the way you like, you can go ahead and move on to a different location to review another area. So you can close the Identify window. If you want more room to look on your map, you can also close the legend and display the map full screen, zoom back out to the full extent, and pick another location to look at. Thank you. We appreciate your comments.